What's up, guys? Welcome back. A beautiful day here in Africa, guys. This is Mads_KE. Thank you so much, guys, for being here and giving us support. We don't take that for granted, guys. Wow. Today the weather was not that good, but right now you can see the sun is shining. It was about to rain, and again now it's not raining, guys. Today we have Maria. Maria, say hi.
Hello, guys. My name is Mads_KE. In a village, my grandpa and granny make and Adrian.
Agalia camera.
Make and Adrian.
Yes.
My name is Maria_K Instagram.
Wow, good girl. See how smart you are. Say good girl, smart. Huh? Smart shoes, yeah, and everything. So guys, today being Maria, they have closed school, so I decided to take her for lunch because it has been long since we went out with her. So we are going out for lunch. Pope? Yes. And so we are going with Pope and Maria. Maria, do you know where you're going?
Yeah.
Huh? Where are we going?
Going.
You don't know?
Nyabo.
Nyabo. Border.
Yes.
Border.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we are heading to the border, which at least.
Dress is.
Huh?
Dress is grandma.
Dress.
Yeah.
Grandma bought for you dress.
Yes, grandma. This is banana dress.
Oh. Okay, so Maria, she's trying to say that the dress was bought by her grandmother. Yeah, that is village grandma. So guys, we are heading usikimbie kwenda kwa barabara. So guys, we are heading to the border so that she can take lunch and enjoy at least some lunch since she has closed school. Yeah. Pope, how are you?
I'm good. Yes, guys. Hello, my name is Pope Africa. So today is a blessed afternoon with a little bit sunny because we're expecting rain.
Yeah.
So it's really sunny, but by evening it will be raining.
Yeah. Raining.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we're heading to the border. Panda Maria. Yes, she knows how to climb herself. Eh? Yanin? So we are heading to the border, guys, and this is the way to the border. Yes, Pope is, as always, our Senke man. Yeah, so guys, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to Pope Africa, go check him. He's doing amazing work. Yeah, we really appreciate. And also for me, guys, tell another neighbor to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to support Maria on her Instagram so that you can also grow. Okay, so this is our stage over here. That is village grandpa's. This is yes, Nyaboansi stage. Yeah, so guys, let's move and see what Maria will have for lunch today. At least she's out. Yeah, guys, so as I was saying, salute to Miss Cecile. That is because watch the space. So Maria, we are waiting for you. She's going to take fries and some chicken. We call it cooked here in our village, guys. So yeah, so amazing. You can see how this hotel is planned. So usitoke hapo, ukae tu hivyo, nikuje mama naenda hapa. Nipongeze swali. My food is ready.
Oh, my food is ready.
Wow, wow, so nice. So that is Maria, Kid Maria. Ndio yako. So nice, asante. Hii yote ni yako. Utamaliza? Utamaliza? So I'm trying to ask her if she will be able to finish the food. Hey, she already started. I use this. So you want tomato? Unataka tomato?
Yeah.
Tomato. I think this is tomato. We don't forget and put chili. Yes. I think this is tomato.
Maybe you should pour here before you. Yeah.
Yes, they are not written. I think this is tomato.
Yeah.
And the good thing, this tomato is very heavy. They are not putting even water. You know, some places
they don't dilute.
The local kibanda, they dilute.
Dilute, yeah.
Okay, wait, Maria, little bit. Okay. Yeah. And this thing is so. I hope you have not spoiled it because I was pressing. Yes. So salt. Yeah, see, so guys, I think we are elevating to better heights because we never had a place like this where you can get pizza. It's now going, this border is going to maybe connect with Nyabuanza. Eh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Pope?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So it's so nice. You know, Pope really helps me in filming sometimes when, yeah, sorry, someone is passing. Ole. Yeah, so maybe I will help you, then now you can start having food.
Wow,
Yes,
guys.
so
Wow,
guys.
amazing. You know,
Yeah, this is how it looks like.
for me, this is like being in a five-star hotel.
Yes, exactly. Yes, it's so nice, guys. Maria enjoying. Unaenjoy, Maria? Umekunywa soda yote tena? I put you soda.
Yeah.
Some soda. Okay, let's have some
This
soda.
is cabbage.
This is cabbage. No, this is what is
Salad.
This? Salad. Say salad.
Salad.
Yeah, good God. Yeah. You finish this, and you take some for Woko, Singa. You'll take some for Woko and Babu.
Yeah. And
Say,
grandpa.
and the grandpa. Yeah. Yes. So Maria, she's eating her chips. Chumvi imeshika. Nikuongeze chumvi. Salt. No, don't eat a lot of salt, sawa?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't eat a lot of salt. Okay, that is enough. That is enough.
And tomato.
Tomato. Yeah, you just take tomato. This is kachumbari.
Kachumbari.
Yes.
And this is cucumber. And this is cucumber.
Cucumber. Oh no, we don't have cucumber here. Oh yeah. That is
Coco. Coco.
yeah.
It's called hoho.
Hoho. Yes. Wow. And the chicken. Maria, will you finish this chicken?
Yeah, it's yummy.
You will?
Yeah.
Yummy yummy. Yeah. And the Pope here, let me help Pope.
Yeah.
Africa. This is. Yeah. So nice. And the good thing about here, guys, imagine you're served with fries and then you get some fruits here. This is watermelon, banana.
Bananas.
Yeah, imagine this is for Maria. This was Maria. Utamaliza hii ukule hii. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's wait and see what will happen. Yeah, I think today, guys, Maria will not take supper. This is too much for her. Yeah, Kid Maria. You're giving me. Good girl. Thank you, my mom.
How maybe you use this. You teach how to use
The knife.
yeah
Oh yeah.
for
Yeah, exactly.
the
Let's
chicken.
try. Even me, you know, I'm from Mushago. I'm from the village, so Maria. Let's try and.
Yeah.
Okay, try this. Let me come that way. Not that way.
This.
Yes.
Fork.
Fork. Ah, yeah. Fork. Chomp inside. Okay, no. Ah, cut with this one. Cut here. Ah, no. Touch this way. This way. Oh, yeah. Cut. That's the fork. Oh, yeah. Cut there. Cut hard. Hard.
Hard.
Okay.
Oh.
It's not cutting.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you. Maybe I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know she doesn't have a lot of. Don't do that. That is bad manners. Eat. That is bad manners. Don't do that. Yeah, that way. So, eat. Don't do that again. Say sorry.
Follow.
Eat. Okay, I think guys, it's so hard for her to use this because a village girl. Also, you know, the hands are not very stable to cut the hen or chicken. Yes. So guys, we are enjoying our meal here. Especially this was a day for Maria. We just decided to bring her out, and she's really enjoying. Yeah. Eat, Maria. Eat. Good girl. You eat, then you be big girl. Yeah, you be big girl. Eat. So guys, when she doesn't finish the fries, we will have to carry them back home so that maybe we can also give grandma, or I know she will go and give grandma. You know her, she's giving everyone everything that she has, and that is the good thing I like about her. She's not selfish at all. Even when Pope comes and she has his own plate of something, she says, Uncle Pope.
She's a very generous girl, and the way she's coming up, I think is the best way. You're bringing up in a good foundation.
In a good foundation and in a good way.
Unasikia aje? Ni tamu. Is it sweet?
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's
I
sweet.
add you tomato.
Yeah.
What do you unataka nini ingine?
Think it's the chips mayai.
Ungesema hiyo mama. So
Chips mayai maybe tomorrow.
yeah. That is the fries mixed with the eggs.
With the eggs.
Here.
Yeah.
You want it here?
Not on the salad.
Okay. Eat the salad. Let me show you how you eat the salad. This is too much. Hey, that is my baby. Huh?
We have a heavy truck here. Yeah, maybe they've just come for fueling.
Yes. So, hey, Pope, you have to eat, bro.
Okay.
Yes.
You're holding the bad camera. Maybe you should.
Yeah, it's okay. No,
These cameras you can hold somewhere.
Yeah, you don't have the holding stick.
Yeah, we don't have the holding stick.
Mine was spoiled, but anyway, we are trying, guys, our best. Yeah, so even me now I can take some here from here.
What is that?
Where?
What is that?
Oh, she had some sound from maybe.
Yeah, they're building up here. They are still building up there. So it's hammer. Poo,
Boo, boo.
poo, 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 hammer. Yeah. So guys, we're just enjoying here. Yeah. And you know my camera, the battery is almost. Oh, you want? Let me help her. I see how this is. I don't know if it's good.
Strong.
You have to be strong. Okay. This is big. Or you can eat.
And this is some.
Okay. You don't want this? You don't want it? I will check for grandma. Send it. Go. I take this. You give me this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she just gave me
Slowly.
slowly. Very good job. Okay, continue with your chips first. Slowly. And when you are full, Shiba, when you are full, you say, I'm full. How? Good girl. So you're not full?
I'm not full.
You're not full. Okay, eat, mama. If you want another one, we'll give you. Yes?
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl. Guys, let me help also to talk to Maria. No, Maria, she's so hard to talk to. Yeah.
So, Maria, umekuja?
Speak in English.
I am sick this. I am go church.
Wow. You see, Maria knows English and you want to change her to Swahili. Yes.
She
She
can
knows.
communicate. At least someone can understand what she's saying.
Yeah, for sure.
Or she's saying that she normally see this site
When they go to church.
when they go to church.
When we go to church, yeah. That is, yes. Hey, this place is beautiful. They are building up there, Maria. They are building up there. Yes.
You know, guys, this building is it's new here at the border here, and that's what they are done with the filling session plus
Yeah, it's very nice by the way.
this hotel.
Yeah, very nice
So
place,
bad.
guys.
There are a lot of things that are being done there.
Yeah.
Because there is so much of construction over there.
Yeah. Yo, guys, we were just told that we can go in and do some videos, but not record some people who don't want to be recorded. So we will be at least going to show you how this place is. I think we should continue. I try my best so that I can use the battery very good. So guys, this is the hotel here. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, we have the I don't know, the exit or the entrance. We have here also the entrance here. Yeah, this is another place where you can sit and enjoy your meal or your pizza. This is how this place is called. This is SQ Pizza Ria and CO Cafe. Yeah, they have nice chairs here, guys. Huh? You can enjoy these chairs here. This is now the inside of this place, guys. Yeah, it's very, very, very nice. Very nice. And we have the waiters also. They're really nice and they are very on point and on time. Yeah, they have their own uniform over there. Yeah. Huh? So, and also here, they are guys, this is going to be so massive and so big, and this is also where they are I don't know what that will be, but they are using the metals to make this big also house there. I don't know if that will be maybe the guest house or whatever, so we just wait for it and see how it's happening. So they are using heavy metal to make that. Wow, look at these guys. We have security everywhere. We have CCTV over there. I think right now they're watching over me even from there. Yeah, CCTV everywhere. This is the washroom here. Yeah, you know, guys, I don't want to film anyone that is not like he doesn't want to be filmed. So guys, this is SQ Pizza. They have everything that you need here. See how beautiful this place is. You can maybe think you're in Nairobi or maybe outside country, but this is what is in our village, guys. Very beautiful. You can wash your hands from there. Yeah, you can wash your hands from there. Will you say hi? Say hi to my camera. Yes. You are waiter. The waiter here, SQ. As you can see, you can wash your hands from here. Very nice, guy. It's like you are outside country, especially Kenya, guys. Ooh. So when you come here in our village, especially, kindly come and visit them here near Isibania, near Nyabohanse and border, yeah, and border. Yeah, we have everything here. Everything is here, guys. When you come visit this place, very nice. Everything is here. Everything that you need is here. Meals, burger, even burger is here, guys. Oh, I've never tasted burger. One day I'll come and taste burger. We have seasoned fries, that is chips. Kila kitu. Yeah, say hi. Just say hi and say maybe subscribe and come to SQ. Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah, welcome, guys. When you come here, this is my friend now. I will take you here when you come to visit. Yeah, so everything is here. Everything that you need, guys. So yeah, we are here. See how this place looks like. So clean, so nice. If you have your own car, petrol station is down here, just here. Yeah, and that is where we have parked our motorbike. Yes, parking, ample parking. We have this we have this what is this called? Caterpillar?
Yeah, that's a bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Or a caterpillar.
Yeah, that was making Marwa's way. Yeah, it's so nice here, guys. You can enjoy and see the view from here, the road, the main road over there. Everything is so nice. So guys, let's enjoy our food. Yes,
You
and
know,
maybe charge our camera.
Maria has told me that the pork is really disturbing.
So she went to wash the hand.
Yeah, she went to.
When let me visit the
Now Maria is using the washed hand. Nikuongeze? She needs tomato. Let me help her. Don't eat a lot of tomato. So, that's enough. You need salt?
Eh?
Do you need salt? Unataka chumvi?
That salt is no good.
Yeah, it's not good. At least Maria knows salt is not good.
Marie. Guys. Slowly. Hiyo ni mfupa mama. Kula hapa. So guys, even me, I went and washed my hands because I'm not used to, you know, in the village, guys, this is another story because we are used to ugali. So whenever you see anything, we want to use hands. So I think we should teach Maria how to use these things when she grows up. Maybe the muscle now is stable to cut, maybe. But right now, let her be herself and use what she has. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Wake up. Good guy. Yeah, so guys, our camera I think is running off, so let's try and maybe charge it, then we'll get on the video. Maria maliza soda yako. Tunaenda sasa. So this is our bill. We want to pay the bill, guys. Yeah. It was a treat from Maria, and I'm really happy with because she is so because it's new, they have sent money.
Hello guys, Maria.
Maria.
Hello guys.
Mama.
Hello guys.
Ew.
My YouTube is Sakajedi.
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 Hii inaitwa Sakajedi. Yeah, so guys, we are already finished and we have and we already have this Maria just ate, and as she said, we take this for village grandma and village grandpa and also auntie. Auntie? Unapelekea pia auntie, sema? So we are going home, guys. This is packed. Yeah, and the soda. Maliza hii. Na nilikuambia. So she can't finish this soda. So I think, I don't know if we can check it. Let me try. Yeah guys, so let's move back home so that you can bring back home Maria early. Yeah. You know she has to be home very early. Right now it's about it's 3:23, so it's about 4. Yeah, let's go back home, guys, and keep locked. Shuka bus. Yeah, guys, sorry. Yeah, she's going to give the grandma. We are finally at home, guys, so this is the hardware. Yeah. Yes. Poa sana. You're telling her grandfather that it's not ugali.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Amen.
Yeah, say hi, grandpa. Yeah. Go kwa. Where is grandma? Oh, 20, Maria. We go home. Yeah, so Maria brought for his grandfather something. Yes. So yeah, let's go back home. We are going home. Yeah, so guys, let's go back home. Yeah, and see what is happening. This is our village, guys. This is Nabuhansa Market here. Yeah, this is the road. Oh, kuja. Maria, come. Come.
Very excited.
Yeah, very excited. Come and tell grandma what you have for them. Yeah, grandma is here. Yes. Ende mwambie atakula na nani? Mwambie atakula na nani? Mwita. Dog. Eh? Say. Say in English. Speak in English.
Chicken
Uh-huh.
and chips and tomato.
And
And what? And
soda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eggs.
Soda nimekunywa nimemaliza.
Wapi uongo. Jamani.
Nimemaliza wewe ukukua.
Speak in English.
We are drinking soda.
drinking soda, you are finished.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Grandma from USA, for your surprise. Mom, say hi before the battery goes on. Yeah.
I'm fine. I'm with Maria here.
Yes.
We are very happy. You have surprised her. She has gone out. She's now back. She's very happy. I'm
Yes.
also happy for her.
Yeah. Yeah. Even
God
also
keep
happy.
on blessing you.
Yeah.
Yes, as you keep on blessing Maria, you are blessing us.
Yes.
Yes.
So guys, that is my mom and my dad was over there. That is the grandparents of Maria. I really want to say thank you so much, you guys, for supporting us. And also you see this lady, how she's hey and very beautiful. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much, mom. God bless you. Tende Maria, we go home. Yes, to take shower at home. Yeah, so guys, let's go home.